I'm Lucy and welcome to Beauty Leaks here on Stand Up Beauty, your favorite source of beauty news. In today's episode, Tati Westbrook, James Charles, Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson, and also new brands, new collaborations and new products. We all know Tati Westbrook as a fair mother of beauty reviews. That kind of mother that cares enough to feed us vitamins so our skin and hair will look better. And recently Tati released a video titled I've been keeping a secret, and our minds immediately started wondering, ooh, it's another drama. Is she pregnant? Is she alien? Well, she doesn't age, so it's not that far-fetched assumption. But no, actually, she took us backstage of her photoshoot for her new makeup brand, Tati Beauty. She didn't say or show much, but from what we could gather, there might be some shimmer/highlights, and there will be an eyeshadow palette, and swatches look really pigmented and creamy. Have a look.
Like lightning inside us, the moment that we see.
So let's talk numbers. Tati has 9.7 million loyal followers that will stand by their makeup mother, and let's say 10% of her following will buy the palette. That will probably be priced around $40 to $50, and you can assume that Tati will earn $8 to $10 on each palette, and if the brand is her own, the number might be even higher. So we have 10% of 9.7 million followers buying the palette. That will make Tati around $7 to $10 million. That's a nice number. Jerry, write it down. I need to start working on my palette. You got this? Great, thank you. So the Tati Beauty will officially launch on 25th of October. New brand alert. On October 21st, curvy influencer Chrisspy will launch Unscripted Beauty. The brand will offer 4 types of lashes, and the question on everyone's mind is, do we need another lash brand? And I guess we do. So there will be more competition on the market, so it will push the brands to offer better products at the better prices. For all you grown-ups with a kid inside, Inglot is launching Powerpuff Girls collection. It will include eyeshadow palettes, eye pigments, lip glosses, lipsticks, gel liner, and highlights. All products will be with buttercup, blossom, and bubbles on top. Are we hot for Inglot? Not in a hot minute, but we do have butterflies for Powerpuff Girls, and it just might be the kick that brand needed, especially after the recent collaboration with J-Lo that basically no one got excited for. Inglot Powerpuff Girls will launch on October 24th. Tanya Hennessy, Australian comedian that made several sketches about beauty gurus.
Is this my skin tone? Bugger it, I've already paid for it. It will be my skin tone.
Very funny lady. She's launching eyeshadow palette, brushes, and mascara in collaboration with Models Prefer. From what we could see, the brushes will have sprinkles inside, and Tanya loves sweets a little bit too much, just like I do, so it's a nice touch. But the question is, what would be the shades inside the palette? What would be the price point? If it's gonna be available outside Australia, and is it gonna be a legit makeup or just a joke? So many questions, so little answers. So I guess we'll have to wait till November 15 when the collection will officially launch at Priceline Australia. James Charles, after his huge success of his collaboration with Morphe, we have a palette and the brushes somewhere here in the studio. He announced his second collab with the brand, and makeup world got so excited until they saw the palette. It's basically the same palette, the same shades, the same formula, just the size is different and there's a mirror. There will also be available an eyeshadow brush set, and some people already call this brush set overpriced and the palette irrelevant, but we were gonna call this great marketing. James Charles listened to customer feedback from the first launch and he made adjustments. Personally, if I didn't have the first palette, I would rather buy the smaller one with a mirror. Promo visuals and makeup done by Vanessa Davis, aka Sculptress, aka Wigs and Makeup Manager are incredible. Have a look. In his release video, James said that it took him 9 months to create this palette. And I wonder why, how? It literally should be one email saying like, we are doing the same palette, just half the size, woo, and put the mirror inside. And just to compare, Jeffree Star and Dawson in the same time frame are doing new eyeshadow palette, well actually 2 eyeshadow palettes from the scratch, new concept, new packaging, new shades, and adjustments to the formula, and on top of that they are doing lipstick and the merge. So what's the tea, James? And speaking about this duo taking over the makeup world, have you been watching Dawson docuseries? He is taking us step by step through the whole process of making makeup collection. We already saw the shades for the palettes, the idea for the packaging. Most likely it's gonna be in shape of old school TV. We even saw a little sneak peek of the campaign, and the collection is gonna be massive. The main dish is gonna be Conspiracy palette with 18 shades inside. There will also be mini eyeshadow palette, liquid lipstick, 1 lip gloss, and a lot of merch. There are going to be makeup bags, backpack, and the mirror. And the established revenue from the initial launch is going to be $34 million. This is massive. Do we have Jeffree on the line to comment on this? Yes? No? Okay, never mind. And for sure, review of this collection is going to be on this channel, so make sure to subscribe. That's all the beauty news for today. Remember, don't wear sunglasses at night. See you next Sunday.